Brother. Hey, you are called now. Why you know
when they brother me?
Say you quarreled me. I want to ask, say the ATM they paid.
No, the payments.
Hey, has I have no quarrel. I did down.
Yes.
Excuse me, are you the last one here?
I'm not the last one. And the last one is on the key. If you want to enter, no the hands.
Damn, what's this? Blacks.
Blank.
Oga, are you withdrawing the Central Bank of Nigeria?
Please, just a minute. I'm almost through.
Who could carry the ATM to your house now? Just a minute.
See that your house you did? God beg, na video game one play. Go just go play Temple Run, oh. Sure.
I'm almost through.
I thought I told you I was in front of you.
Oh yeah, you were behind, in front, you were inside.
Why is this lady entering the line?
I told you she was in front of you.
She was in front of you. He knows he came more.
Oga, I don't understand. Which one are you doing woman rapper here? When you went to the market to buy clothes, why did you buy Heta, Igele, and other things? Better check your pocket too before you use Chuku the Emeka and the Koros money to play love here. I don't understand. Me, I won't allow her to withdraw. I will block this thing. You can never come from the back.
I've been here for over 1 hour. The ATM is not paid.
Don't know what you came for tonight.
Yes. For how long are we going to wait for this Bobo vetting? I'm tired of waiting. No
worry, we'll soon be here. Let's wait for him a bit.
Okay now.
Oh, that reminds me. What of the car I told you to give to the mechanic this morning?
Oh, that one. I went there this morning, you know, than the normal complaints now. I don't know all this mechanic of a thing. I don't know if his work is to repair the engine or to drink the engine oil. I don't even understand.
You will never change.
Serious?
Don't worry. Oh, in the evening we'll go and collect the car.
So we should still wait for him now?
Yeah, let's wait for Bobo.
Okay.
Let's wait for him.
Okay. Come here.
Toda, what did they do?
What?
You know, say na army, they fight trouble.
Leave that thing.
Army.
Is army not a human being like me?
Not they. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Call me.
Are you a Nigerian army? And if you are one, why are you dressed in this manner?
Is that why you called me?
Yes, now, yes. Leave me alone. Is army not a human being? Yeah, I said, why are you dressed in this manner? Yes. Are you, if you are Nigerian, what?
Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Toda, sir, that is not your name. Let's look for trouble. Wake up! How about you are back? What did you say the mechanic said?
Agbolo sweet oh, Akpu sweet oh, Egusi sweet oh.
No, I don't ask you what is your favorite soup. I said, what did the mechanic say?
Agbolo sweet oh,
Toda,
Akpu sweet oh, Egusi sweet oh.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Worth. I'm from Blue, Nigeria. Is there anybody like Victor Blessing that lives around this environment? I'm looking for Victor Blessing. Okay. Oh, thank you. I'm grateful. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please, who is Victor Blessing? Hello. Please, I'm looking for Victor Blessing. My name is Wealthyrich man. I'm from Glow, Nigeria. Mr. Victor Blessing just won the sum of 1.5 million naira in the just concluded Glow Millionaire promo.
My brother, I don't blow.
Are you Victor Blessing?
It's my friend. Let me go and call him.
Is it your... Are you...
My son name is Chinilu, meaning Victor, in your Yoruba language. My other name is meaning blessing. Hey, people that are here. Me you are looking for. Let's go and wait for that.
This kind of joy I feel, only you can give. Counting blessings every day, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got joy, joy. I just can't explain it. The kind of joy that Jesus gives. Came down, down, just to be my Savior. Lord, I'm grateful for your love, 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 love.
Donda! Donda! I just saw this here, and they come. Take them inside, though. Where I brought screen, Nana. Donda! Donda! Donda!
Madam. Madam, you call me. Madam,
See, they count my voice, have you?
Welcome, madam.
Welcome, madam. What I told you before I went down.
Madam, I don't know, madam.
When are they Wednesday? I don't remember what I told you.
Madam.
Okay. I say everything where I brought came from market. Carry am inside.
Madam, which one should I carry inside?
Everything where you dey see with your eyeball, carry am inside.
Madam, I should carry everything inside the...
Yeah, inside the house.
Okay, thank you, madam.
Came back. Carry two. Also carry one.
Yes, madam.
Ah! I don't say if I know there, you go leave everything for here. You don't go carry it.
Madam, just carry everything.
And the house then, sir. Wow.
Madam, please, I should carry everything I see inside.
You want to carry me? No, you want to...
I also need 15 million. You need to transfer it to a guy named Chiwin or whatever. Yeah, he's sending goods for me from Lagos. So I need you to transfer the money immediately. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 15 million. 15 million. Yeah. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Sir, my name is Rich Wealth. My uncle directed me to see you, sir. Sir, I've graduated a long time, a number of years now, over 4 years, sir, and nothing doing. So my uncle referred me to you if you could just help me with anything doing. And you know the way it is, it's not good to just be idle at home like that. So that's why I'm here, sir.
Wow, that's... I think you are the one your uncle called me not quite long.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh,
yes, sir.
You have graduated?
Yes, sir. A number of years now, sir.
Wow, he's looking good. He's telling on you, though.
Oh, thank you, sir.
How are you, my boy?
I'm so grateful.
Oh, you're not looking bad. Actually, he gave me your CV and I went through it. It was quite impressive.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you, sir. That's so thoughtful of you.
You see, you know what's going to happen? I'm going to talk to my secretary about it. Okay? And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, I have a lot on my hands.
Thank you. I'm so grateful.
So I'm going to talk to my secretary about it. Right now, I have
that's so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. So after everything, and this work is not giving. Jesus Christ.
You are alert to never fail. You are alert and you are good. From age to age, you're still the same. Moving around, doing good.
I was telling you about the list of things that we have to execute presently with Wealthyrich comedy. So far we have bookings. We got a booking from First Bank. So in the next 2 days now, we should be flying to Abuja to anchor that event.
How to discuss the payments?
No, we already did that now. We've already finalized on that one now. It is very favorable. Sheraton also invited us. In the next 7 days, we'll be flying there. So I've already discussed with. How's he flying there?
This girl, fine, right?
For all this kind of girls, somebody needs to package himself, put himself together.
Only packaging.
You need packaging.
Just packaging.
No, correct packaging.
Vito! Over the call.
No, I'm checking this thing. I'm checking all these details.
Hello, baby girl.
How you doing?
You're sitting over and I saw you, like, wow, this girl is beautiful. You know what I'm saying? So let me approach her. So, baby, can I be your Mr. Right?
Go get yourself checked.
Is this not packaging? Babe!
They go Nigeria. They come for you too much.
Then the video you. Thank you for watching that very funny rich comedy. See you next Friday.
And you can also subscribe on YouTube. You also subscribe. Press, I think, is it type of big press?
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wealthyrich Comedy. Thank you.
They go Nigeria.
the coat too much.
Time to overtake. I don't come to look face for ya. Time to overtake. Favor they follow me, oh. Blessings they follow me, oh. Jesus ni baba me, oh. Amen.
Subsidy. Ah. They use people I see something. Oh.
It's been an excitement. People have worked themselves into a democratic paroxysm of expressing themselves in very loud and clear terms. Everybody have gone to Martin O'Nipples to say Kabudo rejectament. The removal of supremacy. And everybody is speaking in one voice. And like I said, when I gave my Demosthenic rank, I did say that all the ratiocination, all the adumbration, all the pedagogical effusion that has been put forward by imperialist economics and petty bourgeoisie. Wow.
After you finish with what you are doing, you come, let's go for that MTN Got Talent program. Naomi, I said after you finish with what you have on you, you come, let's go for that program. Naomi, are you not deaf and dumb? You got talk again.
Didn't you hear that federal government, they've put subsidy in everything? I'm managing my word. Or do you want my word to finish?
Here's the file I gave to you.
Please, I'm looking for cemetery room.
Cemetery room, that way.
Dabisco!
What kept you so long now?
Those kind of things now, can't do me, understand? Because I hello. Because I greet you.
What is this? Don't you use close up?
See what this body has.
But you say you're young for work now.
Nah,
I say Wealthyrich comedy don't tire you.
Why they talk like that? Thank them now.
Oh yeah. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching that very funny wedding comedy. Tell them to
subscribe subscribe now.
Friday.
Subscribe on Friday. We're going to be releasing the new one. You can subscribe on YouTube. Just subscribe. Boom.
And like us on Facebook.
Yeah.
Follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
Yeah. Thank you very much. See you next Friday. Yeah.
Safana.
What's up now? Wow.
How have been a longest time?
My brother. How is everything? Wow,
fine,
it's been a long time.
Yeah, it has been good now.
Wow.
Finally.
Seriously? Wow. I like that. Wow, I want to be like this guy.
Bros, which company you work?
I tell you, no believe me. I'm working at Dr. Igodo Goko Pizza.
Look at this, you can see it too. This dollar is rising, brother. This dollar is rising. The dollar is rising. Yeah, forget screaming. The dollar is rising. This is not something of this. The dollar is rising.
I don't understand why you guys disturbing my peace over there. The dollar is rising. The dollar is rising. Eh? Bros, just look at it. Bros, stand up. See the way you fat and you move the spread and see your big belly like who swallow a PC. If the dollar is rising, carry dollar and sit on top. Let dollar stop rising. Nonsense. Bobo, that my uncle Pekin in on the book. Can you imagine? All I taught this boy still failed in his class.
Hey! What did he carry?
This boy took 35 position out of 35 in his class, Bobo.
Really?
Yes, now, Bobo.
That Pekin must need special prayers. What class is he?
This boy is in primary 2. And you know me, I always see this boy. Every night I burn candles to make sure that I teach this boy and this boy come out well in his class. Like even the last time I taught him west and opposite. You know west and opposite now, Bobo. West and opposite like come, opposite of come out, or opposite of stand, sedan. I even taught him these alphabet. Capital letter A, all those capital letter and small letter. I taught him capital letter A, small letter A, capital letter G, small letter G, capital letter 7, small letter 7, capital letter 2, small letter 2.
Jesus!
And this boy still failed in his class, Babo. I will not teach this boy again, no, Babo. This boy is not trying at all.
What class is he, the boy is?
He's in primary 2 now, Babo.
You need to go back to nursery school.
Thanks for watching that very funny Wealthyrich comedy. I know you are having a nice time. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next Friday.
Leave me alone, I don't have it. Bros, what he's asking of you is a very small thing that you can just give to him. You are just turning here, I've been watching you. It's not good, but you Nigerians, you like taking things very hard. Me, I hate operation, I hate it. I can kill for operation. What is that? It's very small thing, you can just give it to. Bros, you be my fan. My brother.
You marry one?
I be marry fan.
Oh, they have to see my
fan. You draw like a ball. What thing they ask of you?
Charger.
Bros, which club you did?
I be Arsenal fan.
Arsenal fan for what? My guy, will you leave this place? Leave this place. Leave this place. Leave this place. Leave this place.
Hello, thank you for watching that very funny Wealthyrich comedy. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next Friday.
I used to think nobody knows. Nobody.
Baby, I'm coming. I'm almost here. No problem, I'm almost at your gate. Hey, have fun now.
What's up now?
I do.
Yeah, they rush the go this morning.
My baby said I should bring materials for makeup, face makeup.
Wait, makeup nine day your bag.
I don't know. It's what she said I should bring it.
Wait, give me this bag first. Yeah? Which word? What do they use knife they do for makeup? Cutlass. Leaf, grass for makeup. Iron for makeup. Which word? Hey, I don't die. Beans for makeup. Hey. What do they use Gary they do for makeup? Even knife, fish words. You show what Maggie got to do for you. How Maggie take concern makeup?
I don't know. It's what she said.
You can go, my brother. Thank you very much.